Welcome back to the channel. Today we have Volkswagen T6.1. This is the California Beach model. Fantastic campers if you're looking for one. Don't look any further. The transporter campers are the best, I would say. But yeah, what we're going to do on this car, we will be upgrading the mirrors to power folding. So they'll be folding with the remote and also from the switch on the driver's door, and adding the reversing camera, which is not present at the moment. Obviously, as you can see, there's nothing here. So on these cars, it's a must when you're reversing to see the back. Very useful. And obviously making the mirrors fold, again, getting into tight spaces when you're parking the car is such a useful feature. I show you here the switch doesn't have the folding function at the moment, so we will be changing that. And also, if I can get in here, I'll show you, we've got the MIB composition radio here. There's no navigation in this car. It has CarPlay only, a radio. But what I wanted to show you is, if we select the reverse gear, you can see the sensors popping up. So you've got the screen, but there is no reversing camera, so that will be also upgraded. And then looking at the back there, you'll be able to see exactly here what's going on. So we'll get to it and then show you the result, how it all functions when it's all done. The work on the car is completed, so let's have a look now at the upgrades. First, the camera, which now you can see is here. There you go. I'll show you the how it works, and also the mirrors are now folding. So I've got the car open, but let me just lock it. So we've added that. So when the car locks, the mirrors fold, and it's on both sides, as you can see. If I open the car, they do not erect; they stay folded. And then what happens? You have to come into the car and put the ignition key, put the key in the ignition, switch it on, and then they just come down. Also, in addition, now you have a additional feature on the switch. So when you tilt it there, again, they fold. So all done as per factory. Now to the camera. Again, this is a radio, not navigation, but obviously can be added as well to this car. So select the reverse gear, camera comes up, and yeah, obviously the car had sensors already, and the camera comes up with the static guidelines. So yeah, all down to the factory specification. Again, if you would like this kind of upgrade for your T6.1 or T6, then just get in touch with us. I'll put the links in the description, and we'll be happy to assist you. Thank you once again, and to the next video. Bye bye.